What a whirlwind of moves on day 2 of NBA free agency. The Milwaukee Bucks continue their summer shakeup by trading one of their key role players, Pat Connaughton, to the Charlotte Hornets. This move isn't just about swapping players. It's a strategic salary cap play and a glimpse into the Bucks' evolving roster plans. Stick around as we break down the trade, what it means for both teams, and how it could shape the upcoming NBA season. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more NBA updates, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. The Bucks have been busy this offseason, and the trade of Pat Connaughton is a clear sign they're aggressively reshaping their roster. Milwaukee sent Connaughton, along with 2 future second-round draft picks for the years 2031 and 2032, over to Charlotte. In return, the Bucks received Vasilije Micić, a guard who split last season between the Hornets and the Phoenix Suns. This deal, confirmed on July 6th, is a move that primarily helps Milwaukee manage their salary cap while bringing in a player who could fit their backcourt needs differently. For those who might not be as familiar with Pat Connaughton, he's been a key rotation player for the Bucks over the past 7 seasons. An undrafted player out of Notre Dame, Connaughton has carved out a solid NBA career with grit and versatility. Over his 10-year career, Connaughton has posted averages of roughly 5.3 points, 2.7 rebounds, and 1.7 assists per game last season, shooting nearly 47% from the field. While not a prolific scorer or three-point shooter, he hit just over 32% from beyond the arc in 2024-25. He's been a reliable contributor, known for his defensive effort and energy off the bench. His ability to play multiple positions and hustle on both ends has made him a valuable piece for the Bucks, especially during their deep playoff runs. So, why did the Bucks decide to trade a steady player like Connaughton? It boils down to money and roster flexibility. Milwaukee recently agreed to a reported 4-year, $107 million deal with center Myles Turner. Signing Turner meant the Bucks needed to clear significant salary cap space. To help complete this deal, they were also set to waive all-star guard Damian Lillard, another major salary move. By trading Connaughton, who opted into his contract for the 2025-26 season, the Bucks shed his $9.4 million salary for the coming season. This move gave Milwaukee more breathing room under the salary cap and allowed them to structure their roster in a way that better fits their championship aspirations. On the flip side, Charlotte is clearly in asset-building mode. The Hornets accepted Connaughton's contract and the future second-round picks with open arms, showing their commitment to gathering resources for the future. Before free agency even began, Charlotte was active in trade talks, acquiring veteran guard Colin Sexton from the Utah Jazz in a separate deal. Adding Connaughton now gives them more depth and experience on the wing. With Connaughton joining the Hornets, he'll be part of a young and promising guard group that includes the talented all-star LaMelo Ball, Trey Mann, and rookie Connaughton. Plus, Charlotte has other exciting young players like Brandon Miller, Miles Bridges, Tidjane Salone, and rookie Liam McNeely, making the Hornets a team to watch as they develop their core. As for the Bucks, they get Vasilije Micić in return. Micić split last season between Charlotte and Phoenix, averaging 7.5 points per game with the Hornets. Originally, he was part of the Mark Williams draft night trade from Phoenix to Charlotte. Micić brings a different style to the Bucks' backcourt, known for his playmaking and scoring ability overseas and in limited NBA action. He could offer Milwaukee some fresh offensive options off the bench or even more depth as a combo guard. Looking ahead, this trade highlights Milwaukee's clear intent to build around their new signings and manage their salary cap efficiently. The Bucks have always been a team that balances star power with role player contributions, and moving Connaughton is a signal they're willing to tweak their rotation to make room for bigger moves. For Charlotte, this is another step in their youth and asset accumulation strategy. With a talented young core and more draft capital in hand, the Hornets are preparing to compete more seriously in the Eastern Conference in the near future. So to sum it up, the Bucks trade Pat Connaughton to the Hornets in exchange for Vasilije Micić and 2 future second-round picks. Milwaukee clears salary space for Myles Turner and the rest of their revamped roster, while Charlotte boosts its young core and future assets. What do you think about this trade? Is this a win for the Bucks or the Hornets? How will Connaughton fit into Charlotte's plans? And what role will Micić play in Milwaukee? Let us know your thoughts down below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more NBA updates just like this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow basketball fans. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time with more NBA news and analysis.